Now we're going to do the rear side of the bike. Quite easy. Get the cap off, give this one a little smack, smackety smack, get the up that one. Over here, and you barely can see it, is the reservoir with a blocking tool thing. Poof. Up. Even kijken, ja, just screw it a bit loose, and then you don't have to screw the screw all the way out. Carefully, the lid off, paper, and get the lid off. More. Nicely cleaned. So put it over there. Then we have this special plastic each thing. Give that a good clean too, and mind the hole. There is a tiny hole in there, so see if you can look through it, which is good. Then we got that, what's it called, a membrane. So now I'm gonna clean that right away too. Paper into it, so then clean this side. Nice. Okay. Yeah. And turn it inside out. Okay. Yes. Nice. Yes. We get this quick clean too. And we're going to suck out the old oil. I'm going to suck out the oiled brake fluid because I don't want to mix it with new. Hop. Then this one a good clean too. It's very easy. Okay. Yes. Good. Now fill it up with brand new brake fluid. Now it's very easy. Push. Wait a minute. That'll thing out of the way. Yep. Get pressure onto it and then pick it in. And as you can see, probably there are already air bubbles coming out. Oh, and more big ones too. This one you can give it a few pushes like this and then close it. Yep, whoa. But watch at your reservoir, the level. So underneath, so fill it up again and continue. Yes, I already see that it's becoming clear. Again. Up. 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 Yes, nice, clean. So, one more time, and that's enough. Whoa. Yes. Okay. And then, easy. A piece of paper. Oh. So. Okay. Do, then we take a bit of paper, stick it in there carefully. Okay, there's always brake fluid trapped in there. See? And then another one. Am I the only mechanic to do this? Think, never seen it. So this one we leave over there, so it can dry it out, clean it, whatever. Then we go up here. We're gonna fill it, and I know by now that when you fill it to exactly the max, where you push this one in, it goes aside and it pushes the brake fluid out. So just a hair underneath the max level. Hop, hop, hop. Kijk. Now it's nice in. Then the special plastic thing and the lid. Screw it on, tight, but not too tight. Give it another clean. Up. Yes, nice. Then that blocking thing. Tight, but not too tight. Okay. Okay. So guys, this was my video about doing a brake fluid change on a Kawasaki Z1000. Can you do it? I'm absolutely sure. It's easy piece of cake. No. I hope you liked it. And if you do like it, please consider a subscription to my channel. I really would appreciate that. And for now, off mechanic.